Good morning, everyone. My name is Prabhav Dobhal. I am in section A. My roll number is 43. My university roll number is 2018991. Today, I am going to show you my Python project, which is age and gender prediction using Python. So, in order to make this project, what you need to do is first you need to install a package in Python, which is named as OpenCV. So, I'm going to install this package using terminal. So, let me type terminal here. Now, here you need to write the command pip3 install open pip3 install opencv python. Now, as I've already installed uh, the opencv in my machine, so it's saying that the command already meets the the command already is satisfied. But if you write this command and you have not installed opencv, then it will be installed in your PC. So basically, this is the command if to install OpenCV on your PC. Now, what I have done is I have downloaded these model files. These are all the model files necessary in order to make the project. Now I'm going to now I'm going to open these model files using Visual Studio. You can use any IDE you want. So let me open it. Okay. So as we can see, I have already opened this all the model files which were present here using Visual Studio. Let me explain you the code of this project. The first line import.cv2, it is nothing but it just tells the Python to use this OpenCV package which we have used, which we have just installed, because I'm not making this project with TensorFlow or anything. I'm just using pure CV2 in order to make this project. So this line basically means to use this package. Now this CV2 dot, it's telling the Python to use CV2. CV2 offers a diverse functionality in which there is one named as video capture. It is used to capture the video using our webcam. So while true, now I have run an endless while loop. It will run till infinity until I press Q, because if I just press Q, it will break. So in order to break this while loop, I have to press Q. Um, Now this frame stores the video which is going to be read by the program. This I've created a B box which is equal to face box, facenet comma frame, and this facenet I've created a function which is present here. Now what this facenet actually does is it is used this function is used to create the blob. Now this frame dot shape, it is used to store the frame height and the frame width. Now this is a very important line. Blob equal to cv2.dnn blob image and the arguments. What actually DNN means is deep neural network. The blob from image takes three arguments. The first one is the image. The second one is the scale factor. The third one is the size of the image. The fourth one is the mean, and this is swap RB. Now what swap RB is? Swap RB is just OpenCV which assumes images are in BGR channel order. However, the mean value assumes that we are taking the RGB order. So in order to resolve this discrepancy, we can swap the R and B channels. Now in image, by setting this value to true, we can swap the channels from R and B, but we don't want the channels to get swapped, so we are telling that swap RB should be equal to false. By default in OpenCV, this channel is swapping for us. Now I've created a variable named detection, which actually stores the forward pass to compute the net output. Now I've created B boxes, which is actually a list. Now down, what I have done in this for loop is uh, I've I run this for loop to save the confidence value in the confidence variable which I've created over here. This stores the confidence value, and this loop actually what this does is it basically counts the number of boundary boxes. Uh, and this uh, cb2.rectangle is used to create a rectangle so that when my any object or my face appears, then a rectangle can be created highlighting that it detects a face in the image. And this face box function, it returns frame and the b boxes, which is a list, and this frame which I have earlier made. Let's get back to here. Now both of these things are returned. Now uh, let's go down. Now in this for loop, I'm iterating in the b boxes where there is a variable named face which um, which has argument as free which has frame, and it has the argument as b boxes, where b box is 1 to b box is 3 and b box is 0 to b box is 2. Now the blob which I have told earlier, blob from image, what this stores is face, the second is the scale factor, the third is the size of the image, and the fourth is the model mean value from the document file. There is a document file here, yeah. From this document file, what I've done is I've just taken the model mean values. There must be one, yeah, these are the model mean values which I've already put up here, and I'm just calling this model mean values in this DNN block from image function. And earlier I have mentioned that I don't want this swap RB to be equal to true, because by default Python assumes it to be true, but I don't want it, so I've put it as false. Now I am show method is used to display an image in a window. Uh, Basically the window automatically fits the image size, and the syntax for the I am show is the window name which I have written as age, gender, and the frame frame is basically the image which is getting passed. And now I also like to mention these important files. What these files, what it does is these are just the path to the deployment models which I have installed from the web. The face model, these two files are used to detect the face, where and these two are used to detect the age, and these two are used to detect the gender. Uh, I have not contributed anything in these. These are just taken from the web, because there were multiple thousands and millions and billions of images which were read by the AI, and it worked upon it, and it just created a link between which face resembles male and which resembles female and what is the age. It just got trained, and I just installed all of these links which were trained by some companies. Now let me show you my project, how well it's working. Okay, so as you can see that it detects the gender pretty well, but the age is pretty fluctuating. This is because the deployment files which I have installed aren't quite accurate, and there is no option to cross it, because the infinitely running while loop breaks when I press Q. So I'm going to press Q. Um, okay, so this is it with my project. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.